Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about writing portion, or in that, I have told you different writing portions such as notice writing, and I have explained the notice writing with many examples. After that, I have told you letter writing. In that, different letters and their formats I have taught you. Apart from that, dear students, I have told you article writing also, or in that different examples I have given you, or with the help of those examples I explained you the article writing. After that, dear students, I have taught you about invitations also, report writing also, or in report writing I taught you about report for newspaper and report for school magazine. Or in invitations, dear children, I have told you about the formal invitations and informal invitations. With format and examples, I have explained many videos and lectures I have given on this important short composition. Today, once again, dear students, I am going to tell you the formal invitation with the help of one example. But before that, though I have taught you this invitation writing portion before and you have written in your notebook, but I want to tell you that a formal invitation can be written in card or in a letter format. It is always enclosed in box. Simple present tense is used in these invitations, means formal invitation. It is written layered format. No abbreviation is used. Each details in formal invitation is written in a separate line. Formal invitation include details like name or designation of the sender, reason of invitation, time, date, and venue of the event where the particular program will be organized, and name of the chief guest or special guest who will inaugurate the function and give away the prizes if there is a such event. Or RSVP is also written. RSVP is mandatory, dear children, in formal invitation. It means please reply. So these are the important points which you have to keep in your mind while making and designing a formal invitation. Dear students, one example I am giving you. Ki you are Mr. A.K. Menon. You have to suppose that you are Mr. A.K. Menon and your address is 43/90 West Punjabi Bagh, New Delhi. Your son, Mr. Rahul Menon, is getting married with Anita Vardhan, daughter of Neeta and Harish Vardhan, on Sunday 25th October 2020. To design or draft a formal invitation giving all necessary details in not more than 50 words. Once again, I am repeating the question, dear students. Suppose you are Mr. A.K. Menon, your son Mr. Rahul Menon is getting married with daughter of Neeta and Harish Vardhan, Anita Vardhan, on 25th October 2020. So for this auspicious event, you have to design an invitation card. You have to draft an invitation card to be sent to the guests. But how will you design? This is a printed invitation, dear students. Or I have told you that each detail in formal invitation should be written in separate line. Or as A.K. Menon, you have to invite the guests in the marriage of your son, Mr. Rahul Menon. So, how you will start? See, Mr. and Mrs. A.K. Menon, name of the sender, request the pleasure of your company at the wedding of their son, means son of Mr. and Mrs. A.K. Menon. Or who is the son? Rahul Menon, with Anita Vardhan. Who is Anita Vardhan? Daughter of Neeta and Harish Vardhan. Or venue place at 43/90 at Punjabi Bagh. Our date and day on Sunday 25th October 2020. So in this way you have to design, in this way you have to draft that formal invitation, dear students. And then RSVP, A.K. Menon, RS means please reply. So and then with best compliment from all relatives and friends. You have to keep in your mind that the particular card which you are designing and making, the word limit should not be more than 50 words, because it is the question of short composition. Or you have to design this card in a very attractive manner. All the information should be written in a separate line, in present tense, dear students. So these are the points, or you have to write the invitation, this formal invitation, in this way. So in this question, you are A.K. Menon, your son Rahul Menon is getting married, or for that this report card you have designed to be sent to the guests. Obviously, there will be reply of the guests. Some will send the reply acceptance, and some will send refusal. So these things I have also told you, formal acceptance and formal refusal, dear students. So I have told you, I have taught you this particular formal invitation on the marriage of Mr. A.K. Menon's son, Mr. Rahul Menon. You will write in your copy, and your homework is that you will write the formal replies, means acceptance and refusal of this invitation. I hope, dear students, you have understood, because I have explained this particular important topic in previous videos also. And from Monday, I will start again the literature portion. Thank you, dear children.